It's been 1 week and we have a lot of news. First thing, I love this robot. I think it looks great. I think it's the #1 best looking robot mower on the market.
Attention, lawnmower starting now.
Lawnmower starting now.
Penny, watch out.
I am so glad that we didn't have to buy one that looks like a race car. What do you think?
I think it looks tough. I love the lines it makes in the yard. It looks amazing. It's quiet, and I can say without a doubt, I am 100% happy that he bought this thing. It's so cool.
Yeah. And before, you know, I would have to mow. I was having my son mow, and he's turned 18, and I'm going to have to start mowing again. And to have something to fill in where I wouldn't have to do that all the time is just awesome. Like, it's so good to be able to
Free up your time to do other things.
well, just keep the yard nice, because what was our yard rated compared to everybody else?
Not good.
Not good. I would mow probably once a week if I could, and due to the weather, like this thing here, it can mow during the day when I'm not at home. It can mow the whole yard. And to have something that can mow anytime, like, it's amazing. We're doing a video right now,
And it's mowing.
and it's mowing behind us. If you can see that, I don't know if you can, but it's only been a week and
A week today.
it's going. I'm fine with it now. And I want to say one other thing. We are not sponsored. They did not send this to us.
We got on the list like everybody else did that wasn't.
This is one of the first 1,000 mowers. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear my neighbor mowing, but not my mower? That's probably what you can hear.
Yeah, we ordered it in January, our own money,
Yes.
and it just got here last week.
Yeah. I love it. I'm going to keep it. There's been, you know, some problems.
Which we knew there would be some issues, so nothing that we can't work around. And
The app is really good. The remote control is awesome. They've already had an update in the first week.
yes,
I can't tell you. It's a list of stuff they fixed. That's insane to have an update in 1 week of use.
yeah.
I have good
He has
vibes about
vibes.
people.
He's a vibe catcher.
Yeah. These people that are over this mower, I get such a good vibe from these people. I think they're trying really hard. They're putting as much information as they can. They're putting their faces out there. They want to be part of this. They want this to work. They want this to do a good job.
They want it to succeed.
Yes, they absolutely want this to succeed. It's built on a great platform from what I can tell. It's heavy duty. It's good. Oh no, it just mowed over the fake grass. I didn't mean to have that there. It did fine.
Didn't cut it.
They're taking care of us. They keep sending us where they're gonna fix this, that, and they've been coming through with it. You know, this got sent out here when it said it would. It's mowing right now. It's what, 5 feet away from us, in between us and the camera. And I can talk to her, she can hear me, I can hear her.
Yep, I'm not having to yell, doing hand signals, trying to get his attention.
Yeah, we'll be outside here. We've been watching it. You've been.
Oh, we
spent
watch
our
it
whole
every
week.
night. Like,
Yeah.
this is all we've done.
This is our entertainment. This is absolutely.
Can I just say, I'm all squirrely over here because of the bugs.
Oh, the flies.
It's driving me crazy.
Oh my gosh, it's so bad. It is so bad. Okay, there's a Facebook group out there.
Yes.
They have been all the issues, and 90% of the issues are software.
Yeah, and the Lymow Tech company is monitoring that Facebook
Yes.
page. So they're seeing the feedback people are giving.
Absolutely.
And then that probably was a lot of how that update came out. They were seeing what people were saying.
And they've
And
been
they've been trying to fix
responding.
things. Yeah.
They try to fix. I've seen where people said this fixed all my issues with the first update. We haven't had, the only problem that we've had is we have this fence where our station's at. I want to have either another station or I want it to stop by that gate down there. I want it to stop when it's done mowing out front at that gate, not out beside the road. That's my one issue. Well, no, I have another issue. I want it to be able to go, when it does the mowing around the perimeter, I want it to go clockwise or counterclockwise, and they have it set on random, which that's fine. That could be another option. Clockwise, counterclockwise, random, that would be great. And yes, there is hardware issues. The software issues, those are an easy fix. Hardware issues, you gotta change parts. And one of the hardware issues that we found is the charging pads are in the front, and I totally understand why they put them there. You can't have metal contacting other metal or anything like that, so they put them at the front so it can't rub against anything else. And these actually push down. Now on our robotic
Vacuum cleaner?
vacuum cleaner, it backs up to it. So I wish they would have added cameras so it could back up, or something else, or made a plastic piece where it can go over and slide and be, more underneath, or we add extensions. Do it that way. Something has to be fixed. We found a way to clean them. All you have to do is take...
Your Dawn dish spray.
It's so quick.
Yeah.
I mean, as soon as I sprayed it on there, I got a little brush, it was instantly gone.
And he was a little nervous about it not coming off.
Yes.
Like it was not...
Yeah. Yeah, I actually had WD-40 trying to take it off and it would not come off. I was kind of freaking out.
But it's the sap and everything from the grass.
Talking about the Facebook group.
Yes.
There was did you read it?
Yes, it was a very long post explaining when you should mow, how low, of a cut you should have, why you're getting sap underneath it. Like, it went into detail.
Like, he was talking about the grass like it's his life.
Yeah, like you can't cut it at a certain time of the day because it releases sugars and all these things. And I'm like, I had no idea there were sugars in grass.
And he was rating the types of grass,
Yes,
like how bad it would be.
And I don't even know what type of grass we have, but it told you, based on your type of grass, how low you should cut it. Like, it gave you instructions exactly what you should follow.
Yeah. That's another thing. They have Reddit, and I use that a lot.
Yeah.
I don't know if you use that, but there's all kinds of groups to be on. I think Facebook is the #1 thing right now to be on. There's so much information on YouTube, like we're on now, and we're going to come out with more. We'll show you how to do the cleaning. The other problem that I see is going to be the tracks. I was already worried about the charging pads when I first seen it. This is before I got it. I already knew there was going to be a problem with the charging pads. The tracks was another issue with me before I even got it. They said there's no warranty on the tracks. That's a big red flag for me. I am an expert on tracks. I worked at a rental slash construction company, equipment rental,
Big equipment.
for 18 years. I have been installing fiber optic cable for 12 years. I've been around equipment for a long time, and I've seen a lot of tracks. There's no information on how to adjust the tracks on this thing. How do you adjust the tracks?
You don't?
Well, everything that I've been around, just like a mini excavator, you will have a track adjustment that's grease. You take grease, fill it in, it adjusts the tracks, and you do it to a certain distance from the bottom rollers. This here, I don't see any adjustment on the tracks. And she was saying that you would have to replace the tracks every single year.
Wow.
And I'm kind of worried about that because I'm not liking their prices. The battery price is $500. The blades are $20. Those blades shouldn't cost $20.
No.
It's two pieces of metal. You know, I don't know, maybe that's a fair price because they're real blades and you can sharpen them. And we're gonna show you how to sharpen them too.
She's not a bit afraid of it.
She's gonna get ran over.
Penny, the dog, is just laying here, like, letting it do its thing. She doesn't even care.
She's used to the
vacuum cleaner.
the vacuum cleaner. This is not the vacuum cleaner. This will
Move, Penny.
absolutely
Your
kill
tail's
her.
gonna get. Move, Penny.
Penny, here.
Move.
And I'm gonna say right now, don't let this run over your dog.
Yeah.
That will be bad for all of us that owns one of these.
Yes.
Usually we've been keeping them inside when we mow, but I don't know how she
The
got
other
out.
one's in the house, and
Yeah.
she followed us out here and snuck.
So I'm gonna stop this and we'll stop that right there. I don't want to get her run over. You know, it's been doing pretty good, but we're gonna have to own this a lot longer. to
Yeah.
For that.
She's not a bit afraid of it.
Yeah, as far as, you know, the charging pads and the tracks, you know, everything else looks pretty good. And I believe we could add a adjuster. They've got mounts for those side pieces, they pop right off. If you need to clean out in there, the tracks, I don't know about them. I don't know why there's not an adjuster, but I believe you can add an adjuster and go up with it. I don't think that's going to be a big deal. And someone might come up with that with one of their 3D printers or whatever. But everything else on this looks pretty good. I'm going to say the camera system, I'm kind of going to be worried about that because it's going to get dirty. I mean, you're mowing grass. It's high up, so maybe not that bad. Everything else looks pretty solid. I mean, I absolutely love this machine. I'm going to keep it. I'm not afraid to take stuff apart. Remember when I took the kids' Wii apart?
Yes.
The night before the Christmas Eve, I took my kids' Wii apart and I put something in.
Yeah.
We can't talk about. Yeah. But I'm not scared to take stuff apart. If we need to fix whatever on this thing, I'm not. But if you're a person that you think this is gonna just work and do whatever, and you're not gonna have to do anything to it, this is the first 1,000 of these come out. This is crazy. Like this is a small time, never company. This company did not exist You know, they've just come out with this. It's got issues. It looks like they're going to solve most of the issues. I don't like the track issue. That's going to be a big problem, you know, in the future. I don't want to replace tracks every year in a mower. Maybe it'll last 2, maybe it'll last 3, I don't know. But even a belt on your engine, you have a tensioner on it. So I don't understand why you would make anything. I mean, that's basically a belt. We will see how it goes, but definitely loving the yard.
Yes.
It is looking so good. This is our second mow that we've completed. This is getting ready to be the 3rd time this has been mowed. And I think I'm going to make it do diagonal strips this time instead of, we've been going this way, so messing with new stuff, you know. And we found down here at the bottom, we had a sinkhole. It was about a foot in diameter. You know, I've been having my son mow. He could have flipped the mower over.
Whatever.
Yeah.
All kinds of stuff.
That's kind of scary. And this thing really showed it and was getting stuck down there. And I'm like, this doesn't look good. So we went down there and there's a sinkhole. And he's been mowing over it and you couldn't even see it. And another reason we got this is because I was like the first person on our road to have a 0 turn. Getting time, I was like, we need to replace this. I had to replace a tire, I had to replace a belt. Started to go pricing new mowers. $4,000 is insane. And to be able to get this, we paid $2,000. And the price is gonna come up. It's coming up soon. If you wanna get one, but be ready. You know, I think they're gonna take care of us. I hope they're gonna take care of us. Time will tell. But we'll show you some more stuff on this. We'll keep some videos going. We'll do some more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
And we'll catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
I almost forgot my line.
I was like, why are you looking at me like that?
Wow, that's insane.
Can you push a button on there and make it go back now, or do you have to use the app?
I think I may have to use the app. Or will it keep mowing? I can't believe she is sitting there like that.
I know, she doesn't care. Oh, that's cool. So you can just resume.
Well, I don't think it's going to resume.
Oh.
Unless maybe I could push a button. It's got a home button on there. I don't want to touch any of those buttons. I think I should just use the app. I'm going to send it home and make it do the other way.
Yeah.
Docking to recharge.
Penny.
They don't bother her. I don't even see them around her.
Maybe you need to get some dog smell on you.
I'm pretty sure I already have some.
Wow.
Go on, Johnny.
Come on, Johnny, go home.
Johnny number 5.
Well, this guy posted, he destroyed his, and he said it did it while it was docking.
Oh, I think I seen that.
Okay. I think he's a liar. And he was using the remote and he ramped it.
Yeah.
Because I've almost did that. But I guess they've been sending out docking stations to people. We could have our second dock.
Like because they think that they need it or they had an issue?
No, people that's got them shipped to them, they've been broke.
Charging
Oh,
started.
yeah.
Charging started.